This video is going to walk us through how to write equations and solve from a sentence. So we're translating words into a mathematical equation, and then we'll go ahead and do some mental solving on this. Our first example, we have 9 more than a number is 15. So when we're writing these, we want to go ahead and take a look at that word is. Is going to be our equal sign. There we go, in the problem. So 9 more than a number is 15, so I know that it's going to equal 15. And so now we just have to figure out, how do you translate 9 more than a number? This more than is going to be our operation, so we have to think, would that be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? So if you're 9 more than something, that does mean that you're adding it to something else, so we're going to use addition on this. So we're going to have 9 plus, and then a number, we don't know what a number is, we're going to use a variable in that case, so I'm just going to use an n. So 9 plus n equals 15 is the equation that represents 9 more than a number is 15. Now we're just going to do the solving it mentally, mental math. If we think 9 plus what number will give us 15, well, if you're at 9, to get up to 15, you would add 6. So we can say that n will equal a 6. So we wrote the equation, and then we solved it. All right, next example. 12 less than a number is 10. So there's the is, our equal sign. So we know that 12 less than a number is going to equal 10. So less than, that's going to be our operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. If you are 12 less than something, that does mean that you're going to subtract off. So we're going to use subtraction on this. And the thing that we've been talking a lot about in class is you have to make sure that you write this in the correct order. If you subtract in a different order, you do not get the same answer. So 12 less than a number, if you're 12 less than something, that does mean that you're subtracting 12 off of something, which means that something is a number, which we don't know. So this one is going to be n minus 12 equals 10. So if we think, what number minus 12 is going to equal 10, it's got to be something bigger than 12, and we just start to think about it a little bit, and we say, well, 22 minus 12 will give us 10, so n is going to equal 22. You can do a little bit of guessing and checking, 15 minus 12, well, that gives you 3, so it has to be bigger than 15, and you could certainly approach it that way as well.